Topic 2. Set up worksheets. Every new workbook has one worksheet by default, named Sheet 1. As your workbook develops, you might need to add additional worksheets. If so, having worksheets named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so forth is not very helpful for future reference. For example, how can you know what data is on a worksheet named Sheet 1? There's also every probability that you'll need to move worksheets around or copy them. Imagine your confusion when Sheet 1 is moved and is now located at the end of the workbook instead of in the first location. For these reasons, you'll want to keep your workbook organized. You'll want to rename worksheets to something meaningful, so at a glance, you'll know what data is in them. The following information will help you take control of worksheets in your workbooks. To insert an extra worksheet, use one of the following 3 methods. Select the New Sheet button, the plus next to the Worksheet tabs at the bottom of the screen. This will insert a new worksheet to the right of the active worksheet, or right-click or access the context menu on any existing worksheet tab, and then select Insert. Select the type of worksheet to insert from the selections available, and then select Insert. This will insert a worksheet to the left side the active worksheet. Or, on the ribbon, on the Home tab, select the Insert Cells button drop-down menu, and then select Insert Sheet. To delete a worksheet, use one of the following 2 methods. Right-click the top of the Worksheet tab or access its context menu, and then select Delete. Or, on the ribbon, on the Home tab, select Delete Cells, and then select Delete Sheet. You can select more than one worksheet at a time by holding either the Shift key or Control key. The Shift key will allow you to select a range of worksheets, while the Control key will allow you to select non-consecutive worksheets. To rename a worksheet, use one of the following 3 methods. Double-click the current worksheet name, and when the existing name is selected, enter a new name. Then select anywhere off the tab to save the changes. Or right-click the worksheet name or access its context menu, and then select Rename. Enter a new name, and then select anywhere off the tab to save the changes. Or on the ribbon, on the Home tab, select Format, and then select Rename Sheet. Enter a new name, and then select anywhere off the tab to save the changes. To move a worksheet within the same workbook, you can use one of the following methods. Right-click or access the context menu on top of the Worksheet tab, and then select Move or Copy. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select which worksheet you would like to move the worksheet before or select Move to End, and then select OK. Or select Format from the Home tab and then select Move or Copy Sheet. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select which worksheet you would like to move the worksheet before or select Move to End, and then select OK. Or select on the Worksheet tab to move, hold the mouse, drag the worksheet to the new position, and release the mouse. To copy a worksheet within the same workbook, right-click the top of the Worksheet tab name or access its context menu, and then select Move or Copy. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select the Create a Copy checkbox. In the Before Sheet list, select which worksheet you would like the new worksheet inserted before, or select Move to End, and then select OK. Or select the Worksheet tab to copy, hold the mouse and Control key, drag the worksheet to the new position, and release the mouse. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select the To Book drop-down icon, and then select the workbook to move the worksheet to. Or drag and drop the worksheet to another workbook. To copy a worksheet to a different workbook, select Move or Copy. Select the Create a Copy checkbox. Select the To Book drop-down arrow, and choose which workbook to copy it to. In the Before Copy pane, select which worksheet you want to insert the worksheet before, or select Move to End. Then select OK. Happy learning!